Now, let me explain how to use the AI Video Generator for free in CapCut, as you can see here on your phone. Now let's begin by opening the CapCut app on your phone. First of all, make sure to navigate through the app and explore all its features, as you can see here. Open it, and as you can see here, it should be available. Usually, it's found in the main menu or in Templates. In the Templates section, let's check what should be available. I don't have these AI tools or functions here, as you can see now. I don't have the right version of CapCut, so I can't access these features. However, you should have access to AI tools or the AI lab, as you can see. Let's move to the AI lab or the AI video marker for video text. You simply enter and just need to insert a short text or script for the generation process. You can enter a short text or script, like a simple word that is neither too long nor too short, as you can see here. Enter a short text to start the auto-generation of your video. You'll find options for script, scene, music, and subtitles here. Transitions, and that's all. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.